Good morning. I'm reaching out to tell you about a historic day about to take place in the motor coach industry. Beginning at 10 a.m., 1,000 plus motor coaches will descend upon Washington, D.C., forming a line of buses stretching approximately 9 miles in length. This motorcade will proceed for 5 hours, circling in front of the White House, Capitol building, as well as other critical government buildings, which inside contain members of the Florida government who can help decide our industry's collective fate. Today is a day where we, individual small businesses, with the common goal of transporting the people of this country, will rally together in unison to alert and inform the government that we will be heard. It's really quite simple. Airlines carry $700 million. They got $50 billion in stimulus. Amtrak carries $30 million. They got $1 billion. City Transit, you got a bailout too. Motor coaches, while we carry 600 million passengers per year, got zero. It's not acceptable. While we ask for government assistance, we ask for yours as well. Please help us spread our message by liking, tweeting, poking, snapping, or whatever. Whatever you can do to help us spread the word. Our industry needs immediate help, and through this, we will position ourselves to be ready for service post-COVID-19. You can follow us on Facebook, like our posts, or you can follow Motor Coaches Rolling for Awareness on Facebook. Also, American Bus Association and the United Motor Coach Association. So that's it. We are here. We're going to have our day at the Capitol and make waves. We thank you for your support to the motor coach industry, and we look forward to the near future where we can turn the keys and get rolling again.